I was soaking in the beauty of Chiangmai, where this horrifying sight met me. Such a kind little creature, but in such a poor condition. And yep, let's jump forward in time. We got a taxi, and boy, did this guy smell horrendous. Turns out it's a Persian breed, 5-year-old boy, dehydrated and got lost from his owner. Who knows when? In Norway we tip them and we castrate them so they won't fight and get hurt. I got him medicine. I went havoc in the shop beside, got him a small box, carry box, and loads of goodies, comfortable bed, shampoo. I managed to give him the medical care he needed afterwards, snacks, and I'm not sure he will be able to eat the dry food, but maybe if you crumb it. So the day turned out to be not just an ordinary day where I'm working on my content writing. It was all of a sudden quite busy because the smell from this being was simply unbearable. Lucky I already have prepared shampoo and a bucket. And I cheated a little bit. I gave him some relaxing medication before I carried him. And we all know how cats love to bathe. There is only one way you can do it, and that's by holding them very firm by their neck